Hi, my name is Iris, and I'm a patient of Dr. Schechter's, and I wanted to share my story. So about 9 months ago, I thought that I had an injury from too much yoga or too much hiking, and instead of the pain going away, it got progressively worse. It got so bad that I found myself in bed for about 3-4 hours a day. I would get tremendous muscle spasms, nerve pain, and I got pretty scared. I went to see, I think there were 6 doctors that I saw. I had 2 epidurals by 2 different doctors. I had a diagnostic test. I went to see 3 surgeons, and I was lucky enough to hear from 3 surgeons that I didn't need surgery, which was sort of a surprise. Some said I had a herniated disc. A couple of others said I had an annular tear. So whenever I had pain, that's what I thought. And someone had mentioned, I also went to physical therapy, 5 different physical therapists. And it just went on and on and on. And I basically lost my life. I did nothing. I didn't feel confident about going out with friends. The idea of going to a restaurant was like impossible. How would I sit? Getting up was the worst. Sitting on a toilet seat was impossible. It was horrible. And someone mentioned a Dr. Sarno. And I thought, oh, now this is psychosomatic, it's in my mind. And I was sort of embarrassed by it. And I didn't really look into it. Then I was going to physical therapy this last time. And she also said to me, maybe I should check out Dr. Sarno's book. And I thought, well, 2 people have mentioned it. So I looked into it, I read the book, and something just clicked. So I read it again. And then I went online researching, were there any doctors in this area in Los Angeles who did MindBody work? And there was one, Dr. David Schechter, who worked with Dr. Sarno. And I immediately made an appointment. I had to wait about 2.5 weeks, but it was worth it. I came in and I told him my story about how I'd been suffering, and he checked me out. There's a specific test to see if you are a TMS patient, and I was. I bought his workbook and his book, and the hard part is telling people how it works, but I will say it definitely works. This is 3 weeks later. I would say I'm 95% to 98% better. Try it.